Welcome back to another video. Today I thought I would test out the DYSON CHITOSAN styling cream. So there's a pre-styling cream and a post-styling cream. Now I am definitely late to the train, but they did take a month to arrive. But let's give them a go and see if they're worth the £100 that they cost me. I'll quickly show you what the bottles look like first. Now I'm shocked that these were so expensive. I mean, Dyson in general is expensive, we all know that. But I literally went straight on the website and thought, right, I'm gonna buy them, I wanna try them. And my total come to £98, which I could not believe. But anyway, this is what the bottles look like. They look nice and sleek. Not sure what that's about. So I think I have to screw that on. Yeah, it needs to be screwed on. And then I think you pull off this cap like that and literally dispense one amount. So you just push it onto your hand. Okay, so one pump give me that amount, which definitely doesn't seem like enough. Let me read the instructions quick and see how much it tells you to use. So it says use on towel dried hair. Pump to dispense, shear between palms, smooth through mid-lengths and ends. Start with one to two pumps, add more as needed. So you kind of meant to smooth it between your palms and then smooth onto your hair. Doesn't have much of a smell. I've just realised I've got fake tan on and I've put that on my hands, so that's not a good start. Like I said, doesn't have much of a smell, but I can smell my fake tan, so I don't know. It's not a lot of scent to it. So 2 pumps then. So that's 1. That was bigger this time. And then 2. Yeah. So I feel like that's a decent amount. Then this is the post styling, which is exactly the same. And this one tells you to do exactly the same thing. So let's give them a go and see how they work. They are supposed to hold your Dyson curls longer, from what I've heard. So let me just read through quickly and see what they actually claim to do. So it says the pre-styling cream creates touchable, long-lasting hold from wet with a lightweight natural feel. And then the post-styling serum holds and hydrates your end style for shine and instant definition while protecting against environmental humidity. So I'm guessing obviously to stop your hair going frizzy, etc., but is meant to hold your style. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I thought I'd do a test with them today. So I'm going to do one side no product, one side with the Dyson products. I'm going to air out my hair, leave it for the day, and then come back and see if it's made that side last any longer. I thought this would be a good test for it because I feel like with the Dyson Airwrap, everyone always complains that the Airwrap curls do not last, which is true. So we'll see if it makes them last any longer. I just want to quickly show this as well. This is magnetic, which is kind of cool. It just kind of slip straight on. So we're going in with the pre-styling cream first. I'm going to use 2 pumps because that's what it tells you to use. Rub that in between my hands and then I'm going to go in on this side. This side is going to be the side that I use the products on, and then I'm not going to use any products on this side. So that is literally it for the first step. I'm going to go in and dry and air up my hair now. That is my hair all air wrapped and cooled down. I'm now going to go in with the post style cream. So I'm going to do 2 pumps of this. That was 1, that's 2. And just rub this in my hands and start at the bottoms, I think, and work my way up. I don't want to brush the curls out too much. So I'm just kind of glazing over. I might just do that. That is both sides done, so I am gonna leave them for now. It's around 10 to 3, so I'm gonna check back in a few hours and let you know what they look like. Hello, I am back. This is the hair now. It's been about 3 hours, I think. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 6:04 p.m.
Yeah, so about 3 hours. This is the hair. So this was the non-Dyson side, non-Dyson CHITOSAN, and this was the CHITOSAN side. And honestly, I don't know if I see any difference. I feel like they look the same, don't they? I think. Yeah, I would say they look the same. I can't see any difference. I don't know, maybe, because like here, can you see I've got like 3 perfect like curls, and this one looks a bit more like messy. So possibly, when I watch this back, I'll probably be able to see better. I feel like when I'm looking at myself in the camera now, I can't really tell, but I feel like when I watch it back, I'll definitely be able to see. Okay, so final thoughts. I'm undecided. I feel like I need to give it a few more goes to actually decide whether or not I think it's like worth the money. Just like straight off, I would say it's not worth £100 because obviously it's not doing a whole lot of difference, and I don't feel like it's like held the curls much more. Now I'm looking at it, it does definitely look nicer. Like that side looks nicer than this side. So yeah, it looks like a lot neater, and like the curls, I feel like you can see the curls a lot more. So maybe it has worked, but not like a massive dramatic difference that I can see. I don't know. I'm really undecided. Now I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I feel like I can definitely see more of a curl on this side. Can we? I'm not sure, you'll have to let me know. But £100 is just so expensive. I suppose you're not using a lot, so these will last forever, I feel like, because you're using a couple pumps each time. If you're like thinking about buying them and you don't mind forking out some money for them, then yeah, definitely give them a go. I feel like it's not doing nothing, it is doing something. I need to see like in a few more hours if they're still lasting like this, but yeah, I feel like that's pretty good. I am not 100% sure yet, and if they are worth like the £100, that's so much money. But like I said, they probably would last a long time because you're only using a tiny bit. But yeah, sorry, I feel like that's a rubbish ending to this video. I'm not saying whether or not I like them or not. I'm gonna say I like them. They're very expensive. I don't regret buying them. I'm excited to give them more of a try, and I do think that this side looks better than this side and has got more of a curl. So yeah, I would say they have kind of worked. But I'm gonna leave it there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.